Hello students, in this video we are going to see a very interesting question from quadratic equation. So it is application of quadratic equation. So it is a real life question which is given in your textbook. When you go to the exercise 3.12, there are 10 exercise questions. All those exercise questions are such a questions. All those questions are real life based questions. It is very interesting and very important questions because of its application. So we have studied the quadratic equation and we should be able to apply that quadratic equation in some kind of real life situation. So here the question, a ball rolls down a slope and travels a distance d is equal to t square minus 0.75 t feet in t seconds. So here in this equation, d represent distance traveled and t, that is time taken. The unit they have used here, distance is feet, this is seconds, time t seconds. Okay, find the time. So we are going to find t. We have to find the time t when the distance, so when the distance, this is d, 9 feet. So when the distance traveled by the ball is 11.25 feet. So the given question, what is the given equation? D is equal to t square minus 0.75 t. This is the quadratic, it is like a quadratic function. So now we are going to change this quadratic function as a quadratic equation. D is equal to distance. What is the distance? 11.25, which is equal to t, we have to find t square minus 0.75 t. So here it is the coefficients, the numbers are in decimal. So we have to make this decimal as a whole number. So for that, here after the decimal point 2 digits are there. We can multiply all the terms by 100. So if we multiply by 100, definitely then we can simplify and we can make it as, we can write it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But we can, here what we are going to do, like that we can do. Otherwise 11.25 means 11.25 abdina evlo 11 0.25 is, it is 1/4. So this 11/1/4 is equal to t square minus 0.75 3/4. 3 இது 0.25 னா அது வந்து கால். ஸோ 11 கால், 0.75 முக்கால், ஸோ 3/4 t. So look at in each term denominator, first we have to write this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 11/4s are 44, 45 by 4 is equal to t square minus 3/4t. Then we can, to remove this 4, we can multiply all the terms by 4. All terms or 4 ala multiply pannirom. So if we multiply by 4, 4 will be cancelled, 45. If we multiply by 4, 4t square. If we multiply by 4, 4 will be cancelled, minus 3t. Now we will write this equation as a general form. 4t square minus 3t plus 45 when it comes this side minus 45 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So we know how to solve this quadratic equation. நம்ம இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பண்ண வீடியோஸில் எல்லாத்துலேயும் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு குவாட்ரடிக் ஈக்குவேஷன் கொடுத்துருந்தா எப்படி அதை சால்வ் பண்ணி இந்த வேரியபிளோட வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுன்னு பண்ணியிருக்கோம். we know how to solve this quadratic equation by 3 methods we have studied. One is first method, factorization method, then completing square method, then formula method. So using any one of those method, அந்த மூணு மெத்தடில் ஏதாவது ஒரு மெத்தடை யூஸ் பண்ணி we can solve this quadratic equation to find the value of t. So you hereafter I will not do, you are going to do. So use any one of the 3 methods and solve and find the values of t. So when you solve this equation you will get two values. t க்கு ரெண்டு ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும். t க்கு ரெண்டு ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும். You will get two values for t, but t here t represent time. So time will not be negative, time will be positive. So அந்த ரெண்டில் ஏதாவது ஒன்று நெகட்டிவ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நெகட்டிவ் இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள். ஸோ we have to write that positive value. So this is the clue and key idea. You are going to solve the question. So you can continue this and you can find the value of t. That is the time taken by the ball to travel 11.25 feet. Okay, thank you.